Hello again. Welcome to the last video for chapter 2. We're going to finish up organic molecules talking about nucleic acids. So nucleic acids are formed from nucleotides. Nucleic acids carry information for all of the proteins in the body, and they help in forming those proteins. There are two major types of nucleic acids, DNA and RNA. Nucleic acids are built up from nucleotides. There are 4 major nucleotides: adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine. Well, I guess I lied. There are 5 major nucleotides. Those are the 4 that are found in DNA, but in RNA we also have uracil. All nucleotides contain one of those bases and then also contain a pentose sugar and a phosphate group. So this is what a nucleotide structure looks like, and this nucleotide happens to be adenine. So here we have the adenine base. Here we have a deoxyribose, and here's a phosphate. So this entire structure is the adenine nucleotide. DNA then is the genetic material found within the nucleus of our cells, composed of adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine. And it carries all the information for every protein in our body. So it's considered really the building blocks of our body. Every time our cells replicate, DNA has to replicate first. So that's a beautiful picture of what DNA looks like. Here you can see adenine and thymine always bind together. Anywhere you see an A, you find a T next to it. They form 2 hydrogen bonds binding the 2 strands of DNA together. Cytosine and guanine also bind together all the time, and they form 3 hydrogen bonds between them. And then the backbone is composed of sugars and phosphate, deoxyribose and phosphates. RNA then is the actual workhorse of protein synthesis. So RNA carries the information of DNA to the cell, to the cell's, well, basically to the cell's ribosomes, and then forms the proteins. RNA is single-stranded, whereas DNA is double-stranded. RNA contains uracil, whereas DNA contains thymine. So adenine, uracil, cytosine, and guanine are in RNA. There are 3 types of RNA. We have messenger RNA, transfer RNA, and ribosomal RNA. Another nucleotide that's very important is called ATP. So this is adenosine triphosphate. This is an adenine molecule, or adenine base, and it has 3 phosphates attached to a ribose sugar. This is the energy currency that our cells use for almost everything in life. And so here you can see adenosine triphosphate. When we break it down through hydrolysis, we release a phosphate, and that between that 2nd and 3rd phosphate group, we have a high energy bond, and that energy is released to do work. That's my 3rd dog, Kaya. I think I mentioned in my video that I have 3 dogs. Well, now you've heard all 3 dogs, I think, bark. Hey. We have finished. I love this picture. Thank you for going through the entire lecture with me. You want to make sure that you've filled out all of the Chapter 2 study guide. You have listened to all the lectures, done all of the Edpuzzle questions, and read through the chapter. And if you've done all of that, then you should be prepared to do quiz number 2. So good luck and have a wonderful day.